Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable developer options on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap the gear icon on your home screen or app drawer to open up the settings menu. This is where you'll access all the core features and configurations of your device. Once you're in settings, scroll down through the options until you find About Phone and tap on it. This section contains important information about your device, including its model number, Android version, and other technical details that you might need to reference. Now, within the About Phone section, look for an option labeled Build Number. This is a specific identifier for your device's software version, and it's actually the key to unlocking the hidden developer options menu. Most users never interact with this feature, which is why it's tucked away in this location. Here's where things get interesting. Tap on Build Number 7 times in quick succession. You'll see a message appear on your screen indicating that you're now a developer. This repeated tapping is a security measure that prevents users from accidentally enabling developer features. It's a simple but effective way to ensure that only those who intentionally want to access these advanced settings can do so. After tapping 7 times, you'll be prompted to input your device password or PIN. This is an additional security step to verify that you're the authorized user of the device. Go ahead and enter your password to confirm the action. Congratulations, you've now successfully enabled the developer options on your Pixel 8 Pro. This menu gives you access to a wide range of advanced features like USB debugging, animation speed controls, and much more that can help you customize your device beyond the standard settings. Now, to actually access these newly enabled options, go back to the main settings menu and tap on System. This section contains various system-level configurations and tools for managing your device's overall behavior and performance. Once you're in the System menu, scroll down until you see Developer Options and tap on it. You'll now have full access to all the advanced settings that were previously hidden. Take your time exploring these options, but be cautious as some settings can affect your device's stability if changed incorrectly. If you ever want to disable the developer options, it's incredibly simple. Just tap the toggle button beside Use Developer Options at the top of the screen. This will immediately turn off all developer features and hide the menu from your system settings again. You can always re-enable it later by repeating the build number tapping process if you need to. And that's it. You now know how to both enable and disable developer options on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.